something new, and that should be different from the others. If it is a different from the others, then only we are going to have the market for our products. As nowadays, as our countries are in, now it is under a growing country, it is not an, okay, still it is developing only. We should have a cheaper one. Why we need to have a cheaper one? As it is a developing country, we are having below poverty or poverty line people. So whatever we innovated, whatever we introduced, it should be reached to the all the people. That is the reason we need to have, yeah, something cheaper. Then only we are going to reach the target. If you have seen cabs nowadays. So many cabs are there like Ola, Uber, Rapido. Previously also we are having these type of cab facilities. We used to have a Maru cabs with a 200 cabs in that. They purchased 200 cabs, the 200 own vehicles they have. They have rendered a service for 2 to 3 years. But after the introduction of these Ola, Uber, the Maru cabs are totally closed their operations and they have joined into some other things. Whether these Ola people or Uber people invested anything into cabs, where they purchased their own cabs? No, they have not at all purchased their own cabs. They do not have any own cars into their capacities. Without investing anything, they are making the profits. They think in a different way. Simply they have developed some application. By developing the application, they have called the drivers or owners, and they have provided the services between the customers and the owners, or B2C we can call it. And also they are providing the services for the B2B also. So without investing anything, any rupee, now they are enjoying the profits. OYO rooms are there. Previously we are having the lodges, guest houses, everything. But now OYO, even though he is an interfaith candidate, now he is enjoying profits. Whether he invested anything into hotels? No, he is not investing anything into the hotels. Just he shared his views, just he shared his ideas, and most of the people are ready to book the OYO rooms only, because the rooms in all the hotels will be with the same infrastructure, same model they are going to have. You have seen the restaurants in Hyderabad, like previously we used to have a Swagat restaurants. Most of the Swagat restaurants are there. They are having branch of restaurants. Now they have changed their names as other people are starting. If you have seen the Swagat restaurants, they are having innovative ideas. One branch is different from the other branch. Like decoration, interior of the branches will be totally different. So to attract the customers, to attract the people, to satisfy the people, they are making the different interior decorations for their people. Because if you have visited the same hotel, with the same environment, people may get bored. So to create a different environment for them, they have made it as different ideas into their interior decorations. One hotel may be with the bikes decoration, another hotel may be with the like bicycle decoration, another with the boards. If you see the Nagal Swagat or Nagal Kinnara now, we will see that train like decoration like a train, interior like a just like a train cabins. So by having these type of innovative thoughts, they are attracting the people. We won't get people if we won't get any goal. We can go with our kids, or we can go with small people. They will enjoy there. So this is the ideas they are developing to attract their customers. So nowadays, as we are having so much of competitive world, as the competition is very much in nowadays, if you want to overcome the competition, we need to have the thinking different from the others. So innovation is what is desirable to users, what is viable in the market, what is possible with the technology. If you are thinking different from the others, whether we are having a viable market for that or not, we need to think that also. If you are having a viability for the market, then we can sell more and more. Without having any viability in the market, if you have innovated some products, so that's a waste of funds only. So if you see these definitions, what is innovation? Innovation is an idea or practice, an object, yeah, that deserves a new and individual or other unit of adoption. See, nowadays, innovation not only by the technology. In general, we will see that innovation means technology. Nowadays, for innovation, we are having business intelligence or artificial intelligence. Without the technological support also, we can innovate. But by using the technology, we are innovating the products and we are reaching the expectation of the customers. You see this. Thinking different from the others is called as innovation. Okay? We need to think different from the others. If you have innovated something, yeah, it distinguishes between the leader and follower. If you have innovated something means you are the leader, others will follow you. Why we need to have the innovation? To have a rapid change in the economy, we need to have the innovation. Because as the developing countries are developed countries, they need to develop their economy. They need to have a rapid change. As nowadays we are into monopolistic markets, not into monopoly market. As we are into a monopolistic market, there is a huge competition. You know that in economics you may come across BTech people also or BA people also. You may have MEA, Management Economics and Accounting, or for subjects. You may come across demand and supply markets. As we are into a monopolistic competition, there is so many buyers are there and so many sellers are there. We want to become the different from the others. So, and also in that economy, we want to have a rapid change, rapid growth for our economy, rapid growth for our business also. And also, we need to survive for a long period. As we know that the business are started for the long run, yeah, we need to have a survival for the long period. So when we are going to have a survival for a long period, if you are different from the others, if you have produced different products from the others, then only we are going to have the survival for a long period. We have seen mobiles industry. Nowadays, all the people are using the mobiles. Previously, we used to have Samsung, Nokia, Ericsson phones with the keypad. Nowadays, at that time, Nokia occupied more than 70% of the market share. After some period, Samsung occupied more than 70% of the market. Now they are reduced by introducing some ideas or some the size of the by reducing the size of the phones. They have increased the market share and Nokia lost the market share. After a certain period, Ericsson, by introducing a new or introducing a quality camera into their phones and quality music system into their phones, they have expanded their market share. Other people have lost their market share as they have innovated something. They have added some features for their cameras. They have added some features for their music systems in their phones. By adding these things, systems, they have occupied more market share and they have increased their market share. But without having this, it is very difficult because day by day the market share of the phones are changing. If you see nowadays, we are having MI. These people thought that in future people may use more than one member. At that time, these MI people introduced dual SIM phones. Previously also we are having dual SIM phones, but those phones are not occupied that much of market share for their phones. But why this MI occupied most of the market share means the features that are introduced into their phones are different from the others. What are the features introduced into their phones are different from the others? You have seen, you know that IMEI number is a mandatory number for the any mobile. Previously, when these Big Bazaar or Big C, these people introduced their phones with the dual SIM, 3 SIM slots, IMEI number is only one. Now, as the government changed their rules and regulations, based on the rules and regulations of the government, these MI people introduced new mobiles, new handsets into the market with the variety of the features, with the variety of the camera clarities. Previously, we used to carry a camera. Canon is the main we used to have previously. And we used to use the reels. From that, we have shifted to the chip cards. Now, from the chip cards, now whether we are purchasing any phone cameras, no, we are not purchasing any digital cameras or any cameras. Most of the people are using their mobiles as a camera. That is a change made by the mobile users, mobile producers. That's innovation. That is a technology they added for their products. By adding that type of technology, that type of apps, now they are ruling the market. If you see nowadays, you don't find much of the Nokia phones in the present scenario. In present scenario, by adding these two cameras, and nowadays they have added 3-4 cameras, zoom cameras like that, with the high megapixel front cameras. This MI ruling the market. Previously, we used to have Nokia phones. They ruled the market at that time. Now, whether we find any Nokia phones, the market share of the Nokia phones are reduced to 5 to 6% nowadays. Because what are technology used or what are the innovations made by the MI, they have not made added in the Nokia phones. Now we used to find the Samsung phones, but the share is decreased. That is the role of innovation played in the market of the MI. They have added so much of technological changes for their products, or they have think different from the others. By thinking different from the others, they added first front cameras for the selfies, all those things, and also they increased internal storage for their phones. They increased nowadays as people we want to have more battery backups. Now they increase the battery backups. We have seen iPhones. If you compare with the iPhone and MI, even though it's a brand, iPhone is a brand, most of people will not use any iPhones. Why means, even though nowadays people are using 2 to 3 numbers, these iPhone people are not at all introduced. PLC now latest version they are introducing, but in olden days or previous versions they have not introduced. That is the reason the share of the market for the iPhones is limited only. And if you come into the compare with the battery backups, as the MI, others people are using 5000 mAh, all this, but these iPhone people will use only 2000, 2500 mAh. So now they added ion batteries. Previously we used to have some other batteries. Now they are adding something into their batteries. So by changing the battery backups, by adding something, some ion batteries, or by using ion batteries or all these things, they are expanding their market. They are selling more and more their products. By expanding the markets and by increasing the sales, automatically profits of the organization will be increases. So that is the reason this innovation playing a vital role in the present business. Okay? The innovation is a term established in the year 1990s. So if you see these things, we are having something. We are having some difference between the innovation and invention. If you see this, invention is the creation of the new product or service or process. It is the introduction of the new product, service or process into the marketplace. Here we have introduced, created, but we have implemented or we have introduced into the market also. So this invention may not commercialized, but innovation is commercialized. You see this, usually restricted to R&D center only, invention, but it's spread across the organization. See, with the product innovations, yeah, we are having different phases. We can increase our product process. We can reduce the time of production also. Nowadays we are saying we may hear the word called business process re-engineering. So with the innovation, with the implement of the innovations, by by implementing the new technologies into the existing organizations, they are reengineering their process and they are reaching their objectives and also they are reaching the expectations of the customers. If these Uber or Ola people are not used, these type of ideas, they have not used, they have not implemented this Uber or Ola apps, all these things. Again, we used to have other facilities like autos, everything. But these Uber people will get that much of benefits, and also whether they are going to get at that cheaper rate for us. Previously, when you booked the cabs like Maru cabs or anything, the cabs used to stay at nearby the airports. Begum Airport previously we have now shifted to the Shabab. If you want to book a cab, if you want to book a cab from the travels, they used to charge from their destination. Suppose you have stayed, you are staying at your Ibrahim College, you are in the college, but the cab is available from the BN Reddy. The cab will come from the BN Reddy to your location to pick you and they will drop at your destination. But they are going to charge from their starting point. From BN Reddy to your college, they will charge, even though you are not traveled. But by implementing this, by having the innovation, by having this type of Uber, Ola, they will start after getting into that cab, they will start their meter. And the rate also very less comparing with the others. So that is the benefit we are receiving. As a customer, we are getting benefited. As a supplier, as a business person, they are getting benefited. Without investing even 1 rupee, without purchasing any cars, the Uber people are getting benefited. Without purchasing any cars, the Ola people are getting benefited. Nowadays we are seeing Rapid two-wheeler. Whether the company is purchasing anything, any two-wheelers, no. As a person, nowadays people are ready to have sharing. So as the people are going to their offices, by installing a simple app, Rapid app, they are sharing that vehicle with the others. They are getting benefited. They are also getting the benefit. They are getting some amount that can be used for their fuel. Because anyway, they need to travel from their home to their office. While traveling from their home to their office, they are picking some other. Yeah. By that, they are going to get some amount, some returns. That may be useful for them. That's the additional benefit for them. Like this, the innovation is playing a vital role in present business. Because we need to have innovation in everywhere. We need to have innovation in all the business sectors. To manage large or complex projects, we need to have an innovation, we need to have new technologies. To reduce the development time, new product development times, we need to have the new technology and we need to think different. Previously, when you want to travel, 1 minute. So now, to have by having the innovative products, by having the new products, we can enter into monopoly market also. As we have innovated, these MI people innovated dual camera phones. They become the monopoly in the market. As they have become the monopoly, they have enjoyed the profits. They have enjoyed the entry benefit. By enjoying the entry benefits, they have raised most of profits. So, if any business want to have a successful into their business, if they want to become successful in their process, they should be different from the others. So if you want to different from the others, we need to create a new products, or we need to use the technology that helps for us to create a new products, or that helps us to think different from the others. When you are as the students, when you are into your school age, do you have these many phones, these many apps into your phones? No. When we want to have money in your school age, if you want to withdraw money, we need to visit our banks. We need to wait for so much of time in that queue. Previously, we do not have ATMs also. When I was a student, I used to find a few ATMs. But nowadays, if you want to pay the money, whether we are going to withdraw amount, no, we are not at all visiting my bank. I visited my bank 1 year back. Before Corona, I visited my bank to apply for a checkbook. From that time onwards, till now, I have not visited even ATM also. As there are so many technological changes are there in the banking sector also, they have introduced their own mobile applications. By using the mobile applications, we can transfer, and the waiting time period is decreased. As the waiting time period is decreased, people are happy with that. Whenever you want to have a transfers, previously when you want to have a Nifty or you want to have a DD, you want to have a RTGS, we used to go to the bank, we used to wait for half an hour, 1 hour in the line. Then we will get our time. Again, that person will ask for the check or some other thing. Again, we need to write all those things. It will take minimum half an hour to 1 hour in the bank. To visit the bank also, we need half an hour or half day time. So we are going to spend half day time for a single transactions. But with the innovations, with the technological changes, nowadays, whether we are visiting in our bank, no. By using internet banking or mobile banking or telephone banking, these are facilities provided by the banks, or by using some apps like PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm. By using these type of apps, we are transferring from our place only. We are whenever we visit a shop, there is no need paying any cash. Cashless transactions are there nowadays. By scanning the code, we are transferring the amount. Previously, we need to carry the amount. At the time, there is a fear of theft, as we know that Hyderabad is famous for the thefts. And bus or wherever we'll go, so much of thefts we'll see, snatchings and purse. So nowadays, there is no fear for us. We can, if you are having your mobile, your device with you, it is easy for us to travel throughout the world, because we can transfer the amount, we can access the codes. So that is the that is the role, the innovation playing that type of roles, that is reducing the time of the people. So by reducing the time of the people are very happy, they are satisfied. As we know that we are having only 24 hours. Everyone is having only 24 hours in a day, but that is not sufficient for some people. As a students, we want to have our personal life, like with the friends, we want to enjoy with the friends, we need to attend the classes. So if you want to spend half day in a bank, means it is very difficult for you people. You may visit or you may not visit the banks. You may wait for such a long period. So instead of that, nowadays, if you see, you may carry coins or may not carry coins. We have seen all the tea stalls vendors, all the juice vendors, they are maintaining some barcodes. So by scanning those barcodes, we are paying the amount, we are transferring the amount. Like that. So the innovation here plays a vital role in reducing the waiting time for customers. And also, it helps the organizations, or it helps the business persons to reduce their waiting time to deposit their amounts, to have the changes. Now, as per our present situation, as per the corona, we have seen when we are in the COVID high case, like May, June, July, March, April means total all the lockdown are there. When the lockdown is opened, we have seen instead of purchasing the products by visiting the shops, we have not at all visited. So at that time, most of the people have purchased their goods or their products from Amazon, Flipkart. They have made lakhs of rupees as a profits for them. Where these Amazon people are having their own again production units, no. That's one of the idea they have generated. Now they are having providing B2B and B2C services, business to business services, business to customer services, and also they are providing all OLX are the C2C services. Without investing any amount into those things, without investing any amount for our products, we are getting benefits. So like that, there are n number of examples. Those who have get benefited with the help of the innovation, with the help of the new ideas, new thoughts. So as nowadays, the main aim of the business is to get the benefits, to get the profits. The main aim of an individual investor is to earn the revenues. So this is the process where we are going to get benefited. If you see, case of this Amazon or Flipkart, why the people are purchasing in these Amazon or Flipkart, e-portals or e-commerce portals? E-commerce business or e-commerce business? Because if you compare the cost of the products in the outlets and these e-commerce portals or e-business portals, the rate is very low. Because there is no need of any establishment of the outlet. We see these RS brothers or social shopping malls, they will have a big building, as JC. They will have so many staff. So we need to pay salaries for so much of people there. We need to pay advances for our buildings. We need to pay rent for that building, maintenance for that building. So there we are going to incur the cost. Instead of that, as we are having a new idea of online marketing, online sales, there is no need of establishment of these many things. There is no need of paying any advances for the shops. There is no need of paying any electricity bill, that much of electricity bill for the shops. Instead of paying this, by reducing this type of cost, we can reduce the price of products. By reducing the price of the products, we are going to sell more and more products, and we are going to make the profits. Like that, the innovation is playing a vital role for all the businesses. We see nowadays South Indian Shopping Mall, not only South Indian Shopping Mall, other businesses are there, other like Brand Factory, Woodlands, Bata. Now they are into e-commerce and m-commerce. Previously, we used to find Bata showrooms, Bata outlets, company outlets are there. Now they are selling their products through e-commerce and m-commerce also. They are reducing their cost, maintenance cost. By reducing the maintenance cost, automatically they will reduce the prices. As the price is decreasing, that's the reason we are thinking or we are generating idea in a cheaper way. We are producing the goods in a cheaper way with a cheaper cost. That is easy to reach all the customers, rural and urban customers. Yeah. This innovation is not only the technology, not only this business intelligence or artificial intelligence, it includes all. This helps, if you see the need for the innovation, these are the points we can have. Accomplish the technology transfers, reduce the new product development time, to manage large scale, complex, interdisciplinary projects and systems. Okay. This is a process we are having for the innovation management. So this innovation management helps in all the areas of the organization. Okay. Building partnership and alliances, okay. Lowering the risk, paying the innovators well, okay. Designing the market and ideas, reaching our customers. Whenever we are having, when we want to start a business, first we need to have our SWOT analysis. As an individual, we are also having a SWOT analysis. So where we are going to know our strengths, weaknesses, opportunity threats. So this helps us to have a SWOT analysis also. See here, we know that the market, we are having so many alternatives. Search for the alternatives. In idea, as a human being, we are going to get so much of ideas. Generate your ideas. Select the best from that idea and implement that idea. This is the process, simple process for the innovations. While selecting any project also, suppose you people are joining your Gen 8 or Gen EC. In the market, so many colleges are there. So many colleges, so many engineering and MBA colleges are there. But you have chosen GNIT or GNEC, Guru Nanak institutions, because that people are that is providing the full infrastructure. You can see that they are having the lavish gardens, they are having the grounds, they are having master facilities. So that is different from the others. What are the facilities they are provided are different from the others. All the organizations do not have this type of facilities. You can see your cafeteria with a well furnished. You can see your grounds, hostel facilities. Yeah, and also your HOD side, your faculty are providing so many webinars for you. So like this is the thoughts to reach your to satisfy you people. They are thinking different. As the COVID is not supporting us to have the physical classes, physical process of the seminars, they made it as a virtual. This is also playing as an innovation, also playing a vital role for our students' life nowadays to reach the students, to explain or to clarify the doubts of the students. It is easy to access your faculty. Previously, we do not have this type of facility. If you want to access your faculty, if you want to reach your faculty, we need to yeah, visit their places. I think your sir is there, HOD sir is there. When he did his PhD or when he did his schooling and all those things, if we got any doubts, even though it's a night time or daytime, we need to travel to the universities, we need to reach the people, we need to meet those people, we need to wait for them. Nowadays, when you are, by using your mobiles, simply we are sending a message, we are sending a mail. We are not visiting. Your faculty are sending the notes or sending the important material to you in a groups. Because you do not have all those things. This is the role of innovation nowadays, the current scenario. Yeah. 1 minute. Sorry for the disturbance. So, with this, I want to conclude how the innovation plays a vital role in present scenario. As we know that in each and every organization, each and every sector, each and every business require innovation. Not only business, as an individual person also, we need innovation in our business, in our day-to-day life. Then only it is easy for us to overcome the competition. Nowadays, we are seeing everyone will have same syllabus. Everyone is attending same class, but some people are getting first rank. Some people are not getting first rank. Why? The process of reading and appearing for the exams are different from the others, one to other. Nowadays, it is very difficult for you to access your books, but we are getting the different types of notes from your faculty and also different sources are there. If you utilize the sources, if you utilize the technology, we are going to get benefited. If not, simply we will get as we are that first class score or those things. So that's the reason.